Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tribit FlyBuds free with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes by using these ports on the front. And also remember to disconnect them from any previously connected devices. When you do this, you can just simply open this charging case. And right now we have to take a look for the indicators. Actually, on the right one, it will start blinking red and white. It's not good visible, but when you take a look on it, you will find that it's actually blinking. So we have to keep that case open and go to the settings on your iPhone. Click on the Bluetooth, turn it on, and then from the list you have to select the FlyBuds free. And as you can see right now, we are just successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.